Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use and customize built-in backgrounds in iMovie. Now to do this you'll need to be running iMovie version 10.2.4 on your Mac, and you can check that in a very simple way. If you just open iMovie and go to at the top where it says iMovie and click on that and then go to About iMovie, you'll see here what your version is. Mine says 10.2.4, which is correct, so you need to be running this or later. But if you're not, you can always update iMovie via the Mac App Store, and I've got instructions in the description of this video for how to do that. To add a background, all you have to do is go to your main iMovie timeline, and at the top over here you can see it says Backgrounds. If I click on that, I get presented with all these different backgrounds. Now the newly added ones are these gradient ones down here. You can see a few of them kind of dotted around, and also these shape ones. So I've got some triangles, mosaics, abstract ones, etc. So I'm just going to look for this cubes one, and to add a background all I have to do is click it and just drag it down to my timeline, and it's now part of my movie. Now in terms of customizing, what I can do is I can customize the actual color of this background. So if I go to up here where it has this icon of a kind of a picture, you can see it comes up as background settings. I can click on that, and I have the options to change both the colors. So in this case I've got color 1 and color 2, color 1 being the yellow, so the outline of the cubes, and color 2 is just the background. So I can click on any of these. My color picker comes up, it's in the bottom left. Let me move it to the middle, and I could change the cubes to perhaps red. And maybe if I click on color 2, I can change the background to, I don't know, let's say this aluminium grey. So that's my new background, and that's how easy it is to customize. Anytime I want to go back to the original, I can just click reset and it will go back to how it was originally. And the same works for these gradient backgrounds. So if I go to this blue one, in fact let me just delete this cube one. And if I go to this blue one and again drag it to my timeline and go up to the background settings icon, I have the option for colors. So I can choose color 1 and color 2, and this is basically the colors that the gradient kind of moves between. So color 1 is where it starts and it ends up at color 2. So I can change it if I want it to go from this green color down to this kind of beige, or what's called cantaloupe color. I can click on that and I've now got my new gradient. So that's how easy it is to customize these backgrounds. And obviously I can, from my timeline, I can click and drag and kind of change the length of these, put them behind clips on top of other clips. So that's how easy it is to customize iMovie backgrounds. But that's basically it for this video. If you found it helpful, then please do give the video a thumbs up to let me know. And if you've got any questions or comments, then do leave them in the comments section of this video. Please do consider subscribing and make sure to hit the notification bell icon. That way you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.